What more one?
They are.
We are saying no.
Place up to that.
You know, say that me just say me don't do right now because me just don't tidy up the place also. So, alright.
So you want be $10 or $20?
Me take it $10 then.
Alright, make a bet today now.
Me could just play some game man. You can't bother with it. Me not gamble today. Come roll the dice. So what do you make here? 6 you come back to me? See?
Nothing like that.
None of we can burn it. Me say, you see one Choppaling? You see that what here?
No, I know, so when I see him.
Me tell him come play Ludo with me what day and I'm going like him out. Every day new store over here. I don't know why I'm going to suffer from him buy the piece of old house and old car from what day. I mean you say one old man dead out there you know. Yeah? And him a hype up himself.
But nothing wrong for an old man dead out there.
What you mean nothing wrong? And him a hype who never live so bad. Oh wait, let my phone a ring inside.
Judge, long time not play some loady. I wonder how we wonder that must help a fair yard. But me go up a sign up the gambling table there. Judge.
You know, I call Choppaling and tell him she there because she too out there. Where she come?
I want a phone call me get. You ready?
You know, say, I'm going to meet her guys this card. My mother did beg me to pick some ackee for her.
Already on the game not even done yet, no you bad.
You man, me soon come back, man. Me have to go deal with
Say I come back later?
You man, me come back.
Alright, later then. Call me then. Oh, you must finish them too, so look at me.
Alright then.
Alright.
That's it. Watch me, I call Choppaling and tell him everything what she did ask about him.
Well, hello?
Hello?
Yo, Choppaling, no I go on.
What are you, man?
Yeah, man. You know, so I just come from up a sign and you want to hear the motor things that she did here talk about your brother.
After the one that you should pass my dinner.
I know she talk about how much things to get little old car, old house here going. And boy, you don't want, they up there playing a Ludo with me and one bag of things.
I know here what they are forward up there. So they are behind there. I start out something.
Alright, man.
But come up there.
Alright then, make sure you link me now.
Yeah, man, gonna link you, man. No problem.
Alright.
One sign, you see, should be in general.
Me know, man.
Yeah, man, Badmine Active, man. But anyway, what's the link you up there, man?
Alright, man, me there.
Alright, they come on.
We come move.
Yeah.
Oh, man, I don't know for bad. That nearly did.
So I want this.
No, man, that's alright.
Me I go win the next round now.
I know so I go 6-3. You just win 2 games while ago.
I find that not wrong. Wait there, you know so me have a mix up with you.
How that now?
Let's just say after me did go and play some music come back.
Yeah.
Choppaling called me and I talk about how much. The reason I'm not like come up here because you are able to love chat people business and him not like come up here again and him feel like to just stop dealing with them.
I lie you tell.
I don't like me.
That's why I tell you earlier, I know, so I don't like the boy, you know. He mix up the same wicked and say, and earlier I tell you, say, he might be looking all over, so the man dead out there, I talk about nothing wrong, something wrong.
Sign wonders. Jesus Christ. You know what now? I write this some of the whole long, you know. But everything would still. When I really sign I wonders. And as long as I live with and I deal with me. But mind active. Remember me telling that.